What's up, you guys? What's up, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just finished watching the Sunday Life eviction show, and let me tell you guys off the bat that I am so disappointed. This eviction show was so underwhelming. I was expecting about 3 people to leave, but only 2 people left. And even if it was going to be just 2 people, there's one particular person that was expecting to leave, and the person did not go. If you know, you know. And some other things happened, questions here and there. So if you want to get a detailed explanation or a rundown of everything that happened, you have to watch the end of this video. And without further ado, let's dive right into it. So as usual, Ebuka started off by recapping the week that was, and after that he went into the house to have a chat with the housemates, and he started off with the head of house, Soma. He congratulated him on his win and reign as head of house, and he asked him about his old ship with Angel, telling him that they're now using the L word now. Does it mean they're now official? And in case you guys don't know, after the Saturday night party, Angel was drunk. She was lying on the floor and she was confessing her feelings to Soma. That was when she told Soma that she loves him, and Soma also said it back to her. So that's what Ebuka is referring to. Ebuka Jare, that's what Ebuka is referring to. So Soma was just looking like he was shocked. I don't know why his mouth was just opened like that. He was surprised. I think I don't know what he was thinking, let me not assume for him, but he was just surprised. He told Ebuka yes. Ebuka asked him again, does it mean you have a girlfriend now? You guys are official? And he said yes. And Angel was just in one corner blushing. Then Ebuka went to Angel and he asked her about the whole pardon me please challenge that happened earlier in the week. Why was she so mad about it that she didn't get it? In case you guys don't remember, there was a tie between Angel and Cross. I think they both got 7 nominations each, if I'm not mistaken. So nobody ended up getting it as per Big Brother's rules. Once there is a tie, it's void. Nobody will get it. So that's what happened. And after the challenge, Angel was talking to Mercy and she was very upset at Adenita because Adenita had voted for Cross. So she was telling Mercy that, oh, Adenita is angry because she did not vote for her 28-year-old toy boy. I remember that conversation vividly, that was why Adenita voted for Cross and not for her. So that's what Ebuka confronted her about and was asking her why she was so upset about it. And she said she wasn't really upset, that she just felt like Adenita did it from a vindictive place because she did not mention what's his name now, Adekunle, the previous week, and that was why Adenita did not mention her like they agreed earlier. And I just want to speak on that a bit. When Adenita was telling Angel, that's the week that she was campaigning for Adekunle, when she was campaigning for Adekunle to Angel, I was very, very surprised, to be very honest, because I just kept wondering, like, how does it even make any sense that you're not campaigning for yourself, you're campaigning for a boy? And at that time, they just started their relationship or situationship, whatever it is, they just started. And you're campaigning for this guy, and not even for yourself, not even for your cousin, but for a guy you just started hanging out with. It was very weird to me, to be very honest. To be very, very honest, it was very weird. And even if it was me, if I was in Angel's shoes, I wouldn't have actually voted for Adekunle. And even Frodd and Mercy, I remember, they too, they said they were not going to mention his name. So I don't know why she only took it out on Angel. But anyway, that was what Angel told Ebuka, and then Ebuka went to Adenita. And from Adenita's countenance, even Adekunle's countenance, the both of them, you could tell that they were surprised. They did not see what Angel said coming at all. Adenita was shook. Adekunle was shook. So Ebuka asked Adenita, oh, is Adekunle your boy toy? And Adenita said no, that he's not. And Ebuka was like, okay, so what's that thing you guys have going on? He actually called it a thing. He said, so what's that thing you guys are doing? And she said they are working towards a relationship that it can as well transcend after the house. And Ebuka was like, oh, so you guys are in an official relationship now. Is he your boyfriend or are you his girlfriend? And Adenita was like, oh, he's my number 1 guy. And Ebuka asked her again, is he your boyfriend or are you his girlfriend? And she said, okay, I'm going to let Adekunle speak for himself. And Ebuka asked Adekunle, and Adekunle did not utter a word. He was just using his hand to signal yes, like, when somebody is, giving you thumbs up, he was just using his hands to thumbs up. So in my own opinion, he did not confirm anything. He was just using his hand to give signal. I think the comments that Angel made, he was still processing it. He was still in shock, if you ask me. Then Ebuka went to have a chat with the new house guest, and he asked Omashola who he was most surprised to see when he got into the house. And Omashola said it was Kim Opra. You guys know that Omashola and Kim, they dated in the past. So Ebuka asked him why, and this guy could not utter a word. He was just like, Ebuka, It was so hilarious. Ebuka was laughing, even Kimopra was laughing. I was laughing. The audience, the housemates, it was just so funny. He couldn't say anything. Then Ebuka went to Prince and was asking him about his thoughts on Tolanibaj and Neo. And he said he has no words, that they are both consenting adults, they can do what they like. Ebuka asked him if he was surprised to see what was going on between them. And he said yes, that he didn't see it coming, but it is what it is. Then he went to Lucy. He asked her about the mini altercation that she had with Kim and why she was so triggered. And she said it wasn't just that situation, that it was a build-up of a lot of other things that had been going on. So that was just an addition. But herself and Kim, they resolved their issues and they are good. Then Ebuka went to Kim Opera and he asked her what her thing with Cross is all about. Especially because Ilipaye went to meet her after the Saturday night party to have a conversation and was telling her that, oh, she's going to leave Cross for her, that she's not going to fight her over a boy. And Kimopra said it wasn't really a back and forth conversation, that Ilipaye was the one trying to make conversation with her, which is true because I watched it, that there's nothing there that is being taken out of context and she has known Cross for a minute. There is nothing there at all. So it was finally time for the main event of the night, which of course is the eviction. And that was how we saw the eviction of Tolanibaj. She was the first housemate to be evicted for the night. And you guys, to be very honest, I wasn't even surprised. Even the housemates, from their reaction, you could tell that them too, they were not surprised. I think the only person that was surprised was Neo. The rest of them, they were not surprised. Even Tolani herself, she wasn't surprised. And it was actually that little dance that she did on her way to the door for me. It was so hilarious. And what was even more hilarious was the housemates asking her for her money points coins. Even before she got to the door, immediately they mentioned her name when she was hugging them, saying her goodbyes. They were asking her for her money points coins. Neo was so irritated. He was so irritated. So Tolani joined Ebuka on stage, and you guys, I cannot even lie, from head to toe she was dripping. She looked so good. I cannot even lie. So Ebuka asked her if she saw her eviction coming, and she said yes, that she could feel the energy, that she even said some parting words to a few of the housemates. Then he asked her about her prize money, which is obviously Neo. I mean, of course he didn't put it that way, I'm the one phrasing it like that. He asked her that how did she go from saying she does not like him, she's not attracted to him during a reunion, to now being in a situationship with the guy. And she said Neo is a sweet guy, that at the time she did not really know him, but now she has gotten to know him and she knows things about him that other people don't really know. What she's referring to, I do not know. Ebuka also asked her about her relationship with V, and she said they are not friends, that they are just cordial. And he was like, okay, no problem. She also said she's going to become a superstar DJ, so I wish her all the best of luck. And then Ebuka went back into the house and he told all the girls to sit, that they were safe. And then he carried out the second eviction, which was none other than Frodd. And to be very honest, I was very, very surprised. One, because Frodd has never been in the bottom 3 before, ever. All the times he has been up, he has never been in bottom 3. 2, because I was so sure that Shay was going to go. So when they called Frodd's name, I was very, very surprised. I'm not even going to lie. And with the way Neo was acting shocked, I just realized that that is his reaction for everybody, and that is going to be his reaction towards anybody and everybody that gets evicted. I was thinking it was only for Tolani, but that's the exact same reaction he had when Frodd's name was mentioned. So I don't even understand how Neo is expected to be evicted. Every time he's acting shocked and baffled. Who are you expecting to go? You? This is very funny. I'm not even going to lie. It's very, very funny. And Frodd was saying that, oh, he already saw it. When he was hugging them, he was telling them that, oh, I already dreamt about it. And me, I was surprised because just the other day, he was telling Messi that he dreamt that he saw himself, Messi, White Money, and 2 other people in the finals. And now, when he was hugging them, he was saying, oh, he already saw it in his dream. And me, I'm wondering, how many dreams you used to dream in this house? Your dreams are beginning to confuse me. Pick one now, let's know which one to follow. And then Frodd joined Ebuka on stage, and Ebuka asked him how he was able to cope with the news of his daughter's birth being far away from her. And he said it was very hard for him, and in fact him and his wife, they had an agreement before he came on the show that if it gets too difficult for him, he will take a voluntary exit, but he just decided to wait it out. So Ebuka also asked him about the Pepper alliance, and Frodd actually denied these people. He said he's not part of it, but they have an alliance and they're cooking up ways to get to the finals. And when he said that, I gagged, because Frodd is actually neck deep in it. He's like the vice president, if I'm not mistaken. Messi is the president, he's the vice president, and you're saying you're not part of it. That one shocked me, Sha. Anyway, I wish Papa Elena all the best of luck, and I'm sure we all do as well. So Ebuka went back into the house to bid the housemates farewell, but he spoke to Ike before he left. And he asked Ike why Ike has been asking about him since, because Ike has been saying, oh, Ebuka has not asking many questions since this show started. He wants to know why. So Ebuka was asking him, Ike, you have been summoning me, asking why I've not mentioned your name once. And Ike was like, yes, now I need to do this for this house. Am I rice? Am I coconut? Oh my god, it was so hilarious. So Ebuka was not asking him that, oh, we are seeing a different side of you have changed though. It was like, no, that this week, because of the happiness therapists that came to the house, and because everybody has been preaching love and light, that he just decided to turn down the toxicity. But next week is back to chaos. And that was the end of the live eviction show, and this is how you guys voted. And once again, Sheyi made a narrow escape, but like the popular saying goes, delay is not denial. So let me know all your thoughts in the comment section about Tolani and Frodd's eviction and the question that Ebuka asked some of the housemates. So I wanted to compile Monday's activities with the Sunday Life eviction show, but I ended up not watching the HOH challenge. But I got some things from social media, and by now you guys also already know that Doyin is the new reigning government. So massive congrats to my girl Esmeralda. I won't be able to give you guys details. I'll just give you a summary of everything that happened, because I did not watch it, to be honest. Like I said earlier, I just got a few details from social media. So Doyin won the HOH, and she named Messi, Cross, Neo, and Kimopra as her BFFs. And for the black envelope challenge, Prince found it, but because he's the house guest and not the housemate, he had to gift it to somebody, and he gifted it to his best friend Alex. The pardon me please process has been scrapped out. We are back to normal nominations, but this time around the housemates, one after the other, they went into the diary room and they had to mention 2 housemates that they want to evict from the old housemate and 1 from the new housemate. Of course, Big Brother cannot refer to them as house guests. He just called them new housemates. So after the whole nominations, the people that were up for eviction were Adekunle, Angel, Ike, Perez, Sheyi, and Lucy. And I do not know if Lucy is going to be leaving because she's the house guest and not a housemate. But I guess by this Sunday, we're going to find that out. So you guys, let me know all your thoughts in the comment section about everything that I've discussed. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, share, like, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.